Welcome to Crazy Kids channel. Today we will see how to write square of a 3 rep digit. 3 rep digit is nothing but a number which has got only 3 as its digits. So when there are so many digits involved in the number, even when we perform that operation on a calculator, at times we will get the rounding errors. So if we know this trick, we can very easily put down the answer without any error. So we can write the square of any numbers like 33 square or 333 square like this. If we go any further, we can use this trick and write the squares of these particular numbers. So to start with this, first we all know the square of 3 to be 9. But here we are writing it as 09 so that we can see how to extend this result to get the result for the next squares. And the next number would be 33. To get the square of 33, what we have to do is write down this 9 in the units place as it is. Leave one digit before that and then write down the 0 in hundreds place, and we will get another digit before this. To get this tens place digit, we have to decrement 9 by 1 and put it down to be 8. And to get this thousand place, we have to increment now and put down here to be 1. In this way, we can obtain the square of 33. The same trick means we know square of 3 and from that we are arriving at the 33 square, right? This trick can be applied for 6 also. Means if we know 6 square, we can get 66 square easily. And from that we will extend further how to write. And even if we know 9 square, we can write down for 99 square, and going for the 999 square, we can do that. Now we have written for 33 square. We are looking for this 3 rep digit squares, right? So the next one in this series would be 333, and it will go like the 3333, 33,333 like that. So how to write squares of those numbers we will see now. Say if I consider 4 threes in my number, is 3333. To write this square, what we have to do is this 9 and 0, they will remain same, but the 1 and 8 we will repeat them. We will repeat by how many times? That depends on the number of threes we have got here. If we got 4 threes here, we have to repeat this 1 and 8 by 3 times, means number of digits minus 1. That is the number of times we will repeat that. So when we have to write this answer, what we can do is we will just, we know how to do this, right? Now just now we have seen the trick, so but we will repeat these two things. So I have to repeat them 3 times, and then the 0 will stay as is, and 8 I will repeat them 3 times. The last 9 will be there. In this way we can write the answer very easily. So let us look at the squares of few numbers that have got only 3. So the first 33, 1089. Starting from the next number, we are repeating this 1 and 8. See, for 3 digits of here, I have repeated it 2 times, the 1 and 8. So going further like this, we will just repeat 1 less than the number of digits we have got in the number. Just take that number and keep repeating this 1 and 8 by so many times. And that would give our answers like this. So in this way, we can write the answer very easily when we have got only 3 in that particular number.